This is just a quick, easy way that you can make an outdoor sign. You could use it indoor too, but it's going to be weatherproof, so you could use it outdoors. And I found this great bag at the 4th of July section this year at Dollar Tree, and it's these little patriotic gnomes. They're like holding stars, flags, pie. So cute. Let me guess. I guess that would be apple pie. And I am just going to cut the image off of the front. I want to try to save as much of that as I can. And there's even like little fireworks on top. The colors are really pretty, and it's made out of this like plastic material. So that's why I think it will work outside. I'm also going to cut off the straps from the top, but I want to leave that like seam line at the top because it's got part of the fireworks on there. And then I'm just going to use 2 of these little 5-gallon paint stick stirrers from the Walmart, actually. One of the few items I buy at Walmart. And they are just the perfect length if you cut off the handle on these. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take both of these little paint stir sticks to my saw and just do a simple cut to cut those off. I think that's going to work well. And that's going to provide me like structure for the top and weight for the bottom to keep it flat and hanging straight. And the material is fairly thick too. So as you can see, it doesn't wrinkle or anything like that. And it's such a cute design. I had to use this for a sign. So I'm going to kind of straighten up the line on the bottom because I don't think I cut it out super straight. And then I'll show you how easy this is to put together. So I want to attach that on top of the wood so that you can see the full pattern of the fireworks up there. And to make the hanger, I just took some Dollar Tree twine, tied a knot in each end, and I'm actually going to attach it now, right where the handles were. That way it'll be nice and centered. And just using my staple gun, decided to shorten it up a bit here. And I'm going to put that through there where the knot is on the other side of the wood and staple that on. It's going to attach that to the wood sign, but it's also going to attach my hanger so I don't have to do a hanger later. And then maybe a few staples on the side. This is thick enough for my staple gun, the little paint sticks from the Dollar Tree, not the Dollar Tree, Walmart. I wish they sold these at the Dollar Tree. They should. And then I just staple that to the bottom paint stick stir as well. And we have a really easy 4th of July sign that would hold up well outside because it is kind of like this weatherproof plasticky material. But I think it looks really pretty. What do you guys think? Can't get much easier than that for a 4th of July DIY. And I love the images of the little gnomes. Look how cute they are.